In this tutorial, you will learn how to connect your Sonic AI trading account to the MetaTrader 5 app on your phone, so you can follow the full trading history of your account directly from your device. Start by going to the App Store or Google Play and downloading MetaTrader 5 by MetaQuotes. Install it, then open the app. At the bottom of the screen, tap Settings, then tap New Account. In the search bar at the bottom, where it says Enter Company or Server Name, type TM, Financials Limited. Select it from the list. The server fills in automatically as TM Financials Server. Now, you need your login details. Open a new browser tab on your phone and log in to portal.tagmarkets.com. Open the menu in the top right corner, select Copy X, then tap Follower Hub. Scroll down to the section called MT5 Credentials. Here, you will see three fields: your MT5 account number, your master password, and your investor password. One important note before you continue. Use the investor password here, not the master password. The investor password is the one designed for viewing your account, and it does not allow anyone to place trades or move funds. Keep both passwords private and never share them with anyone. Tap the copy icon next to your MT5 account number. Go back to the MetaTrader 5 app and paste it into the login field. Then return to the portal. Copy your investor password, paste it into the password field, and tap Sign In. You are now connected. Tap the History tab at the bottom to see the completed trades executed on your account by the Sonic AI team. For each one, you will see the entry and exit price, the profit or loss, the commission, and the exact time the trade was closed. You will also see any withdrawals you have made. Scroll to the bottom of the page and you will find your totals: deposits, withdrawals, total profit, commission, and your current balance. Everything updates as trades are closed, so you always have a complete and transparent record of your account. That's it. Your account is now live on your phone. Trading involves risk. Past performance does not guarantee future results.